Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the new construction site here on the night market. It looks like, a rooftop over there. Something like this here. Like a steel construct. But yeah, I really don't understand what's going on here. I wanted to start this video by saying it is the nicest rainy season I can imagine. And showing you some blue sky, but it is cloudy. And it looks very much it will rain at any time. But it is still nice. And yesterday it was nice, the day before it was nice. It rains maybe, I don't know, a few times a day, but not that long and it's not that bad. It's definitely not what I'm used to. It's also not that cold. Usually with the non-stop rain and wind and it's getting cold. It's getting cold. It's sometimes even less than 20 degrees. Now I can already hear François sitting in French Canada having minus 20 degrees and saying, "Oh, du Achtung." Yeah. Why do I say German word with French accent? My God. I think it's too early for me, guys. But yeah, I can already hear you guys from Canada and from some American cities that this here, even 17 degrees Celsius, is warm. But yeah, if you live long enough in tropical temperatures, it is cool. And this here looks very scary, guys. Look at this. I've never seen this beach part here. This particular beach part so broken down, and so, this is crazy. Now it looks like 2 meters. Oh no, it's maybe 1 meter 50. 1 meter 50 wall. Look at this. This is crazy. I don't know what's happening here, and the sea looks very rough and not good to swim. I see few surfers here and there, but yeah. So somehow the current here is stronger than the other parts, and this is the first time I'm seeing this beach being that broken. Like, look at how much sand it's got missing. Just imagine this here this is maybe normally 1/3, and then there's like 2/3 going out here as well. At least, guys. And now the water comes all the way here. And is creating this kind of wall. That doesn't look good, guys. Here everything looks normal, almost. It's not as wide as usual, but it's definitely not as bad as here. It's so weird. You can also see some brighter clouds up there, the Central Peninsula. Today it's not that nice, to be honest. Yesterday it was nicer with the blue sky and the sun. I think even people were in the ocean. But yeah. At least it does not rain yet. And I can see a little bit of blue sky over there. There is hope, guys. There is hope. But this beach part looks kind of normal. But the roots of those trees are out, as you can see here. It's just random now.
Morning.
Good morning.
You need to go to Lady Buddha? Can I help you?
No, thank you so much.
Why not? You should put it there, Beachfront. Lady Buddha. You see
Oh?
that? Lady Buddha.
I've been there often, man.
Huh?
I've been there often. Yeah, as you can see, there are many scammy taxi drivers here trying to get you somewhere. It's always a red flag if someone approaches you somewhere on a touristy place, especially with this kind of English. Big red flag. Never take taxis, guys. Never, ever, ever take taxis if you don't want to get robbed. Even if they tell you a normal price, then they will do the 500 scam, like taking money and then saying you did not give enough, things like that. Never take taxis. Those are the biggest criminals everywhere in the world, to be honest. Everywhere. Every single city in the world, taxi drivers are criminals. Especially if they're unlicensed like here. Always get a Grab. Grab Sun SM, InDrive, or BE, or if you're in Thailand, take Bolt. But never ever take a taxi, no matter what. So here there are showers, guys. The beach showers, changing rooms, you get everything here. And I think the surfers are, I think it might be a good place to surf now. But yeah, it is nice to walk in the morning, but it's definitely not a beach vacation vibe now. What do you think? Do you like it more with this kind of weather and being cooler, or in the high summer heat? Because the summer heat, it's like, it looks nice, but it is a little bit too hot to hang around, in my opinion. So for me personally, me walking around here, this is a very nice temperature and nice climate at the moment. The summer looks better. It's just this beautiful, what I always show you on this channel. Blue sky, the trees and the ocean, the white sand beach, beautiful. But it is very uncomfortable to walk because you burn like crazy and you sweat and Now it's very nice. If you're not into going into water, this might be even the time of the year for you guys. Just to see the sea, have a little bit the ocean breeze in your mouth, and then like walk around. Some people don't go in the water, like Marcus, never been into the ocean here, even though it's beautiful in the summer. Ah. So those are the sounds here in Da Nang. It is nice. It is like this, besides of the motorbike sounds, but if I would walk here, I wouldn't hear it that bad. People still playing volleyball. There are 2 nets at the moment out there. But yeah. Doesn't it look beautiful still? It is nice. So thank you so much for watching. please check out this video here and see you in the next one.